Hello people, well here's what we have. My scale trains and scale tier 4 GEVO with some evolving Tropicana cars. Right behind it is the manufactured modern one, and then after that would be the orange one manufactured by Caboose Hobbies. Then you got 4 of them over there manufactured by Concord, and the last one in the back was manufactured by Atlas. Alright, so just wanted to wish everybody on Facebook and YouTube a happy Front End Friday. And this is a pretty much good view like I've never given any of y'all before. A view from the front down the straightaway track coming to the curve. So what do you say we get this thing rolling as I get ready to play the dispatcher and all the crew talk sounds. Dispatcher here, this is CSX locomotive number 3250. Are we clear for starting up clearance? Copy that, CSX 3250. Brand new Tier 4 GEVO. You are now cleared to start up. Thank you, start up and hold. Dispatcher, this is CSX locomotive number 3250. Are we cleared to the outbound? Copy that, you're all cleared to the outbound. Thank you very much. We're ready to roll. Very smooth for an N-scale locomotive. Other ones usually are jerky. Sorry about my hand getting in the way. So this is the Tier 4 GEVO manufactured by Scale Trains. This happens to be the only Scale Trains product I have. Tier 4 GEVO CSX 3250. One day I do plan to get on the number 3378, which is a 2016 production. Number 3250 here was a very early 2015 production. It was the very first locomotive into the CSX fleet. Also the very first 2015 production for CSX. So even out there on the main line, it's a brand new locomotive. And Scale Trains has really pulled off the amazing detail. As for these Tropicana cars, they're usually on the back of intermodal cars, riding in the front or the back of CSX Q038. They no longer run Q140 and Q141, and let alone they never run them as a single unit train as Q740 and Q741, because the former CEO of CSX, Hunter Harrison, didn't like unit trains. But this definitely really mimics a very evolving Q740 with all Tropicana products, although the orange cars have disappeared because they're not really refrigerated on the inside. But that one I got in the back by BLMA, that's what we're talking about. It was also copied off of the Union Pacific produce cars. I think the Tropicana cars today are starting to get tall like that, because I heard that the Union Pacific ones are like as tall as bi-level auto racks. But it's the same refrigeration unit we got on each end. You gotta keep orange juice nice and cold for delivery to New Jersey and Cincinnati. So if any of you don't have one of these by scale trains, it's a must-have if you really, really love the modern diesels. I do love steam engines, but like I've said before, I'm evolving into a rail fan, and I really admire these modern diesel locomotives. And because the Tier 4s are brand new, really fascinates me the most. It's great to have a scale model engine with the brand new electrical e-bell like that. And yeah, with company scale trains in Intermountain, the horn will always play the bell along with it, and always blink the ditch lights like that. For some reason though, here on N-Scale, they blink a little bit slower. But if you use other DCC systems from MRC or NCE Power Cab, you can actually change the rate of the blinking of the lights with CV changes. But here in my Bachmann Easy Command Control Center, they don't have anything where I can program CVs. They only have like 9 to 10 functions. You can program up to 9 locomotives only, and that's about it. I know my new friends at the First Coast Model Railroad Society are mostly HO model railroaders, but I like N-Scale the most. I don't mind HO scale. I would like to get an HO Tier 4 GEVO from scale trains one day, and an SD40-2 and 3. Find I was probably letting the steam engines take over my life, but I'm not retiring my love of steam engines. I'm just starting to become different, as all. Try to get my body off the ground a little bit. See if I can make the train run faster. Sorry if I don't sound very loud. My mom's in the other room, alright, not so far, and she needs to get a little bit of rest. She's worked very hard this week. So it's time to let the Labor Day long weekend get into mind. That sound you hear is the dynamic brake. And that's usually activated with function number 4. That's was turning it off. See if I can turn it back on. And number 5 button would activate the front and back headlights and go opposite, as if you're gonna use this locomotive as a distributed power unit, DPU. Someday when I get another one of these GEVOs, I could demonstrate some DPU. But this train is not too long and not too heavy, so no need for some DPU. There goes the dynamic brake. I just love this thing. Let's start slowing it down and get prepared to bring it to a stop. So yeah, when you activate the regular bell, it also does that double ringing. Jersey City Dispatcher, this is CSX Locomotive 3250. We have made it with our fresh load of Tropicana OJ. Thank you very much, CSX number 3250. Thanks for the journey. We're ready for your OJ. Alright, this is CSX former Q740 going off duty. Alright, so I hope you liked our run by very much with the Scaled Trains Tier 4 GEVO and the evolving Tropicana train cars. So thank you very much for watching. Happy Front End Friday. Happy model railroading. Stay off those tracks, and we'll see you on the rails.